Cindy Praying the Heart, and welcome to a Destash. This might be the only Destash that I do. Well, it's hard to say, because once I start getting cleaned up, I might find more things. But in the meantime, I'm going to start off with the rules. It's PayPal only. I don't do any holds. You got to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com, letting me know what you would like. Some things I might be able to combine, if you buy a lot of things or different lots that I have, then I might be able to combine some things and save some money on shipping. The one thing I can't is I do have a box already packed, and so I don't know that I'll be able to save on shipping for that one. Just depends. So this one right here is Price to Go. This is the Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers, and I have 37, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13. I think there's 24 in here. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I have 37. These are very expensive. I've hardly used them like twice. They're like brand new. Some of them are even still sealed up. Like I said, I may have used some of them one time. And they're fairly new still. I just couldn't get into them. So I'm selling these for $60, including shipping. So, yeah, so they're in great shape. And these are very, very expensive, even on sale. They run about $2.25 a marker. So this is a pretty good deal. So this one is number 1, and it's $60. Put this in a place where I won't lose them. Okay, so number 2, and I couldn't get into these either because I just have decided that I just need to stick with one medium and learn it. So I have almost the whole set of the Chameleons. These have never been opened. These are the color tops where you can use them to blend. And so I have the gray tones. I have the warm tones. These I've hardly used. I just tried to use them, opened them up just to see what they're all about. And they work great. Just couldn't get into them. I have this set, which is the 5 skin tones. This set right here, which is the floral tones. I don't know, this packaging is funky. So I've got this one, which is the primary tones. This set, nature tones. This one, which is the pastel tones. And this one, which is the blue tones. My daughter opened them up because she wanted to see how they worked, but they were too complicated for her. They're actually very easy to use. And they do blend really, really well. Like I said, I just would rather invest in my Copics because I'm familiar with how to use them, and I'm starting to get better at using them. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So with shipping, this is going to be number 2. This is a Chameleon set. And I'm going to sell these for $40 shipped. Okay, so let's see. I've got this one to share with you guys. All right. Let's do this. So this is a box that I can't save you on shipping. So if you buy this one, then you buy something else, I don't know that I'll be able to fit it all in one because this sucker is really, really packed. A lot of Halloween stuff in here. There's a lot of other stuff too. So not a lot of other stuff, but let me take everything out. Okay. Let's get started. If I find anything else, I'll shove it in here too. So first we've got the bits and pieces. There's lots of full sheets left and stickers of this. This is an Echo Park Summer Dreams. And then this one, I used a lot of this, but I still have quite a bit left of the Echo Park We Are Family. So I'm shoving that in there as a little extra. Let's see. I've got this Traveler's Notebook that someone made for me. It's very, very cute. It's just not what I'm into right now. And it's got all the pieces for that. So that one's very cute. Let's see. I have a couple of these jars that were $1. So I have that one, and I have the Boo. And then I have this one, which is a cat. And these are super fun. Then I've got these alphabet stickers in black glitter. And I've got Midnight Haunting. This is still sealed, never used it. I have these puffy stickers. I have this one, which I've used some, but there's still lots and lots of sheets. It's My Mind's Eye Mischievous. Then I've got this one, which is these journaling cards, 4x6. I have this stamp set by Tim Holtz. Never used. Let's see, I've got someone made me these puzzle pieces. I've got this Avery L. Zen Collection 6x6 paper pad, never used. This Harvest Collection 6x6 paper pad, never used. I've got these pumpkins that are brand new. They're from last year's Target. I've got these Boo glitter felt stacks. They come in black, purple, and orange. I never use these. So they're the full thing. I've got some cute little bag that's got some stickers in it. Sparkle stickers. This thing that someone made me. Let's see. What else? This thing is pretty full. These die cut pumpkins. I've got this Darcy rubber stamp. I've got this scrapbook kit. I've got these party bags. I've got this Dreamy Witch Sweet Surprise and Dreamy Witch Not Too Shabby stamps. These. Happy Halloween. I have these stickers and these stickers. So it's just jam packed with stuff. And so this box is number 3, and it is $22. Actually, it's $25. I'm sorry. $25 because, it's almost $15 to ship this sucker. So I don't make any money off of it. Okay, so next, let's see. I've got, look through here and see what I have. Okay, so I've got some Darcies. These Darcies right here. This is number 4. These are, this one I've used once, but these are brand new, never used. So you get the Halloween Darcy, which I have used once. You get this Fisherman's Darcy one, never been used ever, with the matching tin pins. You also get this golfing one, never been used, never opened, never looked at, and the tin pins. So, so this one is $20 shipped because it's all brand new stuff. So, yeah. Then next, I've got some of my Spellbinders kits that I've just decided are not for me. I've got this one, which is the small die of the month October of last year. And then I've got this one, this one, which is the September die of the month. And then this one, which is the large die of the month. It makes this my like 3D bicycle, which I've never ever used. So these shipped are $24. This is number 5. Spellbinders. So shipped, I'm going to say shipped $22. And all the prices will be listed in the description box. So I'm kind of doing this like quick because I've got all of got my nieces and everything here. So let me get the last bits of stuff that I have to share with you guys. And so this is actually I'm going to redo my Spellbinders. I'm sorry, I've got another Spellbinders here. So this is going to be $25 shipped. I'm also going to include this, which is the Glimmer Mist, the Glimmer foil system. But even if you don't have the hot foil, you can still use these dyes and stuff there. So there's that. Okay, so now let me show you the rest of my stuff. Oh, this is going to... All right, so let me see what else I've got in here. Okay, is that everything? Yes. All right, so this is going to be a lot. And this is the last one. This is number 6. You're going to get the Avery L Pigment Ink. This one's Ocean Mist. You're going to get this one, which is Celery. They're all sealed. This one is Fizz. This one is Sugar Plum. And this one, which is Silver Fox. You're also going to get brand new, never used, this stamp set by Avery L, which is called Mod. And you're also going to get the dies. I have this one by Avery L, which is Fun with Letters. I don't think I ever used, that one. I've got this stamp set, which is by, I don't know who it's by, Mudra. Never used it. It's a little monster one. This one, which is Crafty and Desert Divas. It's called Twinkle Toes. I've got a couple dies. This is the Sweet Valentine die by CC Designs. And then this is Easter Town. And then I've got this one, which is Winter Trolls. This is this Narwhal one by Jen Long. I've got Crepe Paper Main Squeeze, Wild and Free, Dear Lizzie, Snow and Cocoa. I've got this one, which is this Elf one by Greeting Farm. I got the CC Designs, the die and the stamp. And then this one, which is brand new. It's a Little Sparkle by Lawn Fawn and the die because I bought so many of them. So let me see what you get here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is going to be shipped. I think it's going to have to go in a box. So this is number 6. And this is the stamp mix lot. And this one is going to be $50 shipped. Okay? So if you want any of these, please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. I want you to pay right away, and then it will ship on Friday if all goes well. All right? Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Playing with the Heart.